Imagine a single runaway batch job, just, silently eating up all your shared spool resources until, bam, your entire enterprise system crashes. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the C1000-193 exam concepts that prevent disasters exactly like this. We are taking a very deliberate, measured approach, sequentially analyzing 7 specific systems management questions to build a bulletproof foundation for your exam. Let's start by figuring out what's actually running on your system. Question 1. Within the System Modification Program Extended Framework, which logical boundary acts as the authoritative inventory for tracking the current operational state and installed maintenance level of the target system libraries. The correct answer is D.
Right, and we really need to understand why it's D. I mean, in a massive IBM environment, you can't just guess what software patches are live.
Oh, definitely not.
The target zone is the actual live software environment. It meticulously tracks the installed maintenance status by literally recording the specific functions and fixes applied to your operational libraries at this exact second.
Okay, let's unpack this. It's basically the ultimate master ledger for your software's current state.
Exactly. If a patch is applied, it's etched right into that target zone.
Which means once we know what's in our master ledger, we need a reliable way to update it. Question 2. When modernizing software deployment using management facility workflows, what is the primary conceptual benefit of utilizing portable software instances compared to traditional manual installation processes? The correct answer is A.
This is really all about eliminating the chaos of human error. Portable software instances package the software in all its specific configurations into a reusable, standardized format.
Like a pre-built kit.
Yeah, think of it like shipping a fully built, furnished house instead of sending a truckload of loose lumber and a blueprint. It standardizes provisioning, meaning every single deployment is identical.
Oh, wow. I love that. Shipping the whole house. But,
Yeah.
A house needs roads to connect to the outside world. Question 3. In the context of enterprise networking, what core architectural function does the virtual telecommunications access method fulfill when integrating with modern network architectures? The correct answer is B.
So VTIM is essentially your enterprise traffic cop. It doesn't just blindly pass data along.
Right.
It actively manages communication sessions, specifically SNA-based logical unit sessions. It establishes and controls the exact pathways between your applications and network resources, ensuring data packets navigate complex setups flawlessly.
Okay, so we've got the network roads built. But who is allowed on those roads? Let's talk security. Question 4. When auditing security resource access lists, what is the architectural implication of granting universal access to a sensitive system dataset profile? The correct answer is C.
Well, in a RACF-style framework, granting universal access means any authenticated user completely bypasses explicit authorization checks for that specific resource.
Hey, really? They just bypass it entirely?
Yeah, they automatically inherit a default access level just by being on the system.
Here's where it gets really interesting. I mean, isn't that just leaving the digital front door wide open for everyone?
It absolutely is a massive risk for sensitive data. But the option exists because you might have public data sets.
Like general company boards.
Exactly, like company announcement boards or standard help files where you actually want everyone to have basic read access without the administrative nightmare of creating thousands of individual permission rules. The danger is applying it to the wrong data set.
Makes sense. Don't lock up the public phone book, but definitely lock the vault. And speaking of vaults, what if someone sneaks past the front door? Question 5. The Authorized Code Monitor is a security capability designed to enhance system integrity. What is the fundamental operational objective of deploying this component within a production environment? The correct answer is D.
Right, so it acts as the ultimate interior alarm system. The Authorized Code Monitor's entire job is detecting unauthorized tampering.
How does it pull that off?
Well, it constantly scans highly privileged system memory areas. If a malicious actor tries to modify code in those protected spaces to elevate their privileges, the monitor catches that suspicious modification instantly.
From locking down memory to actually getting work done. Question 6. In job management, what is the conceptual role of the primary job entry subsystem when processing inbound batch workloads? The correct answer is A.
We are talking about subsystems like JES2 or JES3 here. Think of them as the executive chefs in a massive restaurant kitchen.
Oh, I see where you're going with this.
Yeah, they manage the entire batch job lifecycle. They take the incoming orders, the submitted jobs, queue them up on the ticket rail, control when they get executed, and finally manage the output printing through the school.
Which perfectly sets up our nightmare scenario from the intro. Question 7. When designing job school management policies to prevent system-wide outages, which proactive architectural approach is most effective for managing unpredictable output volumes from runaway batch jobs? The correct answer is C.
Because if a runaway batch job just keeps generating error logs, it fills up that shared spool.
Under restaurant's ticket rail.
Exactly, until the whole kitchen grinds to a halt. Automated resource limits and threshold alerts are the only proactive choice here. It isolates or terminates the rogue process automatically before human intervention is even needed.
Mastering these core concepts gives you the exact systems management foundation needed to confidently navigate the C1000-193 exam.